Hi everyone, in this video we will cover about useEffect hook. But what is useEffect? useEffect is hook function that represent life cycle of your app. So if you know component did mount, component did update, component did unmount, we can use useEffect for that. To make it clear, let's just see it in action. We can use useEffects and it will receive two parameters. The first one is the callback function. We will use the second parameter later. For now, we just use the first parameter. And just do this, console.log I am called. Let's see the result. When component did mount, it called the useEffect. And when we update the state, it also called the useEffect. That's how the useEffect works. But what if we want to use it just one time? For example, in component did mount. It's easy. The second parameter will cover for it. The second parameter of useEffect is a dependency list. Basically, we can subscribe to the state or some state. If that state updated, then useEffect will be called. And how to make it only work once? We can subscribe to no state, like this. Now as you can see, it's called, but when I update the state of the count, it doesn't call anymore. Great, right? So we can change the message to be I'm called only once. And we can use useEffect twice or more. It's up to you. For example, useEffects console.log I'm called. This time I want to subscribe to the state, which is state count. If we subscribe like this, every time the count run, it will call this useEffect. Let's try this. See? I'm called only once, I'm called. This is running procedural. The first useEffect will run first, and the second useEffect will run after. And when we press this, because we already subscribed to the count, it's always called. To make it sure it's only working on count and component did mount, we can adjust new state. Set new state. Use state. Just put empty string. We don't need this at all. It's just to test the useEffect. We can use useEffects console.log I'm the string and subscribe to new state. Okay, all of them is called. And if we press the +1, which is will change the count, it will only call the I am called, but I'm the string will not be called. Let's see. So you can be confident when use useEffect. That's all for useEffects. After this, we can use a simple form to test the use state, useEffects, and also our custom hook. See ya!